Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make your profile private in Pinterest. This is how to do it. Open the app, click on saved at the bottom right corner. Now click on the settings at the top right corner. Click on the gear icon. You have to click on profile visibility. Click on it. You take it to this place. Now here you can enable private profile. It says only people you approve can view your profile, pins, board, followers and following list. So turn this on. From now on, your profile will be private. Now click on make private. So only people you approve are going to see your content on your profile. So that's how you make your profile private on Pinterest. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.